Okay people, so today we're gonna be working on my 2000 Trooper, how to replace the fuel pressure regulator. Try to make a quick video because it's raining and it's freezing cold up here. So before you even start, just make sure you have one of these. Hopefully you won't need it, but you never know. So all I've done so far is I pulled the beauty cover. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna fire this thing up, pull the fuse pump fuse, which is the second one from the bottom to the top. So pull that out while it's running so that I lose pressure in the rail, and it should make it even safer to work on. So here we go. So as you could hear, it is slowly dying when it was losing pressure in the rail. Even still, I'm gonna crank it a little bit more to make sure there's as low pressure as possible in the rail. Okay, so that was it. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna pull that solenoid right there. So this thing has a small Allen bolt on the bracket on this side and another one in the back. I left the back one out when I did the fuel injector so that it was easier to remove next time, since I knew I needed to do my fuel pressure regulator. So what I'm gonna do right now is just pull that thing, move it to the side, and then I'll show you what comes next. So as you can see, with that bracket out of the way, you can see the regulator. It's actually held in by one of these C-clips. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna undo the C-clip, pull the vacuum hose out, and the regulator should come right off. So I'm gonna do that right now. Ah, there you go. So I got the clip out. So now you're just gonna twist it around and pull it up. Here it is. So I'm actually looking that this thing is supposed to have an O-ring. It's not O-ring on the bottom and it doesn't have one. So I wonder if that's just one of the reasons why this thing is not running good. I'm gonna see if it's not like stuck in the hole. I don't think so. Oh yeah, there it is. So I'm gonna get something to grab it out. So as you can see, there it is. I had to fish it out. So if you're doing this, just remember to check for that as well. So now that the O-ring is out, you're gonna get your new regulator and just push it back in. Make sure you point the vacuum port like at an angle. There you go. You just have to push it down until there's enough space to fit the C-clip. So now that that thing is set, I'm gonna put the phone back in the tripod and we'll go from there. Okay, so last night I had to call it quit. I lost the factory clip and the one that came the regulator broke. So I got a new clip today and got it installed. That's everything I've done today. And after you install the clip, just make sure it's in the groove all the way. Then you're gonna reinstall the vacuum line, which, where did I leave now? It's this one right here. So just get it back into the vacuum port. Just like so. And now you're gonna reinstall the solenoid. So just get it in properly. Good right there. So you gotta pay attention to the orientation of these vacuum lines. The one that comes from the front goes on the back port. One comes from the rear, goes on the front port. If you install this backwards, your variable intake runners won't work. So I'm gonna leave it like that right now. Not gonna install the beauty cover or anything. So I'm gonna reinstall the fuel pump fuse and I'm gonna fire this thing up and just check there are no leaks. So before you crank this thing up, you're gonna cycle the key from on to off a few times just to pressurize the rail, and then you're gonna fire it up. So we'll see what happens. Lose battery. What's new? There you go. So just let it run for a while. Make sure that, oh, now what? Flashing checks trans light, come on. That's new. Anyway, just let it run for a while. Make sure there's no leaks on the regulator, the vacuum line. And if everything's good to go, you can reinstall the beauty cover. So as always, thanks for watching, and I hope the video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comments and I'll try to answer them as soon as possible.